So today I'm going to show you the exact reasons why the AI subscription might be absolute in the future. And Google has announced 6 free AI tools which are absolutely for free, which can improve your workflow and it increases your unfair advantages. So welcome to my channel guys. So today I will just tell you the 6 tools introduced by the Google which will be very helpful for your daily life, and by using that tool you will be very much productive and your workflow will be very easy. So let's start the video. So the first tool is the Google Notebook LLM. So imagine tomorrow is your exam and you have lots of chapter that is left to revise. You have lots of articles, textbook, chapters. Okay, so you, by seeing this all, you will be start panicking. So here the most people lose their game. So here how Notebook LLM helps you. So traditionally, if you want to take important notes or important lines from a chapter, then you have to manually read it, then you have to manually do make a notes of important topics. But all this thing can be done with a fraction of second. So you can just import your all chapters, your all articles, and your all complex subjects. You can just dump into this Notebook LLM tool, summarizes all the chapters and all the important paras into very concise way, so that you can just revise it and you can just further chat with that, like give some important topics that is very necessary for the exam. So it will make a set of necessary topics. So other than that, summarizing the paras, you can use four different types of features in this. First one is video generation. So whatever the things that you have imported or dumped into this LLM notebook, you can just make a video summary out of it. So it will give you a explanatory video from that para, so that you can just listen and you can just understand the topic with the visuals. And the second is you can just if you are not able to uh, if you are not able to read through the screen, like your eyes are paining, then you can just use the audio mode. So it makes audio version of that all the textbook or articles that you have imported to it. So it makes the audio format. Other than that, you can make a mind map stuff also. Like if you want to make a mind map and if you want some important concept to be remembered from that topic, then you can just click one simple step. So by doing this, you are combining intelligence with your learnings, so you can just uh, do more learnings and you can just be very productive by using this type of tools. Now let's come to the second tool. Next tool is Gemini, a personal assistant and creative assistant. So in Gemini you can just integrate your email, calendar, and lots of the other apps you daily use. So by connecting Gmail, you can just write on the prompt interface like go to my Gmail and just pick up a designer which I talked like 4 years ago or 4 months ago. So you don't need to do manual scraping through your email history. You can just give a simple prompt to the Gemini and you can just make out the results in very quick time. Yeah, so next thing that you can do with this tool is deep research. So if you want a full detailed research about a company, about a person, about a brand, you can just activate deep research mode in Gemini. So Gemini will do a very rigorous research for you, and within 5 minutes to 8 minutes your research will be ready with actual facts. And the third thing you can do is with your creativity, you can generate images and videos. So with Nano Banana you can generate any image with the tool with any face. And for video creation you can generate any video with the Veo 3, which is integrated in Gemini itself. So you can just describe anything that you want to create, so it will create very realistic image or video. So now let's jump to the third tool, that is Google AI Studio App Builder. So in this AI Studio, you have a feature like you can build any app, any website you want. For that, you just need to give a description for your idea. For example, if I want to build any, any app interface or any basic prototype, you can just give a basic prompt to it, and it will analyze it, and it will make a simple MVP like within 5 to 10 minutes. And you can just increase the temperature of the tool. If the temperature is very low like 0 1, then there will be less creativity, and it will be very fact based or very data based. But if you increase the temperature like from 10 to 20 to 30, what will be the maximum limit, then the model will become very creative. The next feature is like the AI Studio Live. So what exactly happens in this feature? So you, if you are stuck in Figma, suppose if you are making some design and you just stuck in between and you want to know a perspective of the third person or second person, then you can just share your screen, and the AI will analyze it, and it give the expert advice after analyzing your screen. So now let's talk about the next tool, which is the design assistant, the Stitch. Like previous we have seen, like we have built basic MVP in Google AI Studio and all that stuff, but it is functional, but it will not look that much great. Or if you want more design aesthetic in it, you can use this tool. So you can just give a basic prompt to it, and you can just tell like what are the colors you want and what is your brand identity. So by analyzing all the things, it will give better things with great design ability, or the with great design sense. Now let's talk about the next tool, which is Pompili, okay, which is a market assistant for you. For now, we have generated our MVP, we have made the designs very look nice, we have made the designs very aesthetically. Now we want to sell it in the market, okay. So most of the people spend their 40% of their time in searching like good campaigns and where to sell. So you need to just give a prompt to it, like I need 7 days marketing campaign for different social media. So it will give images and videos and caption to your posts, so all these things which is necessary for marketing the stuff. So now let's talk about our last AI tool, which is Opal, okay. So which is a builders of builders. So you can just make a functional app or website by just giving a simple prompt, like the things that you are facing in your daily life. For example, uh, if you want to write a content post daily on your LinkedIn, so you need to go to ChatGPT, and you need to get your ideas uh, write down in the chat box, and then you analyze it. And so what can you make? You can just make a simple AI app by just giving simple prompt, I need a website, and the function of the website is to generate the post for LinkedIn, and there will be one two button for it. And yeah, so this way you can just simply give context to it, and by just prompting you can just make a live working app or website in within 5 to 10 minutes, pure from vibe coding. So as you can see, these are the all the tools that I have discussed with you. So it is useful for the every people, like whether you are a student, whether you are an employee, whether you are a founder or CEO of a company. It helps you to reduce your workflow, or it reduce, or it helps you to become more productive. So this is the power of AI tools. So I hope you like the video and you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed the video, then just hit like, share and subscribe button, and I will just upload more AI videos in future. So yeah, so thank you.